Hi. Now, if you don't know me, or if you're new to my channel and this video, I'm Rihanna. And this guy, he's my dad. Now, my dad and I love old cars, trucks, vehicles, okay? We've gone to car shows, drag shows, not that kind. Moral of the story, we love old cars and trucks. Now, when my dad was younger, high school era, he had a 61 pickup. A 61 Chevy pickup. He worked on that truck ever since he was like 14 years old, okay? He knows this truck inside and out. It's pretty cool, actually. And he also worked on it with his dad, and another cool thing is that his brother actually gave it to him. His brother had it before he did and then passed it on to my dad. And my dad is now passing it on to me, and I'm gonna pass it on to my kids, and their kids are gonna have it too. It's so cool. Family heirloom, right? Flashback 1 or 2 years ago when I started bothering my dad about working on this truck. It was sitting in my grandma's garage, and it hadn't been touched in years, and it was gathering dust and mouse poop and bees nests and spiders, like everything that you can think of. This truck had it. But this is us working on it and us starting it up, and working on this truck makes me feel like I can do anything, and it's been oh my gosh, ew, gross. Okay, it's been cool working on this truck with my dad. Just watch, okay, just watch.
Here we go, we're gonna give this a shot. First start in over 25 years. We got gas coming in. Yep, gas coming in the filter. Okay, let's give it a break for a minute.
So excited! Oh my gosh. Yay, dude.
Well, that was a pretty good run.
Yeah, let's go.
Good.
Let's go.
It's not getting gas is what's going on.
Oh.
It's burning off the starting fluid, and that's it. I think that carburetor is about shot.
Okay, look, I didn't want to say it, but I think I'm gonna have to. Grab your box of tissues, okay? It's about to get emotional. But we did it. We got it started, and that was the first big hurdle. We spent so much time. We even gave up before we like fully got it to run and got it to start up. It was so exciting. And the next big hurdle was getting it to actually move out of the driveway. Okay, we're good to go. Let's go! No? All right. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! We did it!
We got no brakes. Hardly any brakes.
Gosh. There you have it, dude. We got it to start up. We got it to drive out of the driveway, like out of the garage. Like, so cool. We've worked so hard, but we also have so much to go still. And definitely working on this truck makes me feel like I can do anything, like, ever. It's so cool and so empowering. There's still more footage that I'm gonna put up, and this is just part one of many more to come, but yeah. So I hope that you enjoyed this truck video, and thank you for watching.